see the glory, but them don't know my story. Gonna make it without family. The wicked them not like see me greatness. Once you want me brother, you're my brother, you're my brother for life. Once you want me sister, you're my sister, you're my sister for life. Me no keep friend, you're my brother, you're my brother for life. Me no keep friend, you're my sister for life. Now everybody sing, my sister, my brother. We've been through the storm, through the weather. Stick together like birds of a feather. Nobody can say we ever sell out each other. Look out for one another, we no beggar. We aim high, success not the measure. A real community, we share the treasure. Some of them get blood pressure when them see we doing better. We see the glory, but them don't know my story. Them don't know my story, them don't know my story. No time me did I look ahead story, but you me know me family did I go worry. Me have to learn to fight the dirty and show me. No a blessing Jah pour me. Me stay humble as some mama grow me. Oh yeah. Once you want me brother, you're my brother, you're my brother for life. Once you want me sister, you're my sister, you're my sister for life. Me no keep friend, you're my brother for life. Me no keep friend, you're my sister for life. You have some friend when no happy, say you're happy. Them we bust your head with a double shotty. Them no real, them a carbon copy. A dirty and black like Blue Mountain coffee. That's a melody friend, think of some of them a zombie. Gonna prison to you, kill your friend for your candy. But the family me different like a vigilante. Food in a storehouse and it plenty. Once you want me brother, you're my brother, you're my brother for life. Once you want me sister, you're my sister, you're my sister for life. Me no keep friend, you're my brother for life. Me no keep friend, you're my sister for life. Now everybody sing, my sister, my brother. We've been through the storm, through the weather. Stick together like birds of a feather. Nobody can say we ever sell out each other. Look out for one another, we no beggar. We aim high, success not the measure. A real community, we share the treasure. Some of them get blood pressure when them see we do it better. Them always see the glory, but them don't know my story. Gonna make it without family. The wicked and the right see me greatness.
Yo. And what is? Hanif Balushi collection can't defend Fuggery. Boom boom bam bam bam. Big up yourself, Imhotep. Boom boom bam bam bam. Alright, so well a piece of reasoning and not even a scene. And we're gonna bring on a brother. We're gonna call a brother. We're not even gonna bring on the brother, seeing? We're gonna call the brother. And keep it simple. Seeing? The people them on my Facebook, go over to @Mr. If you're on the Facebook and you want to join the reasoning, go over to Mr. Vegas Music on Instagram, @Mr. Vegas Music on Instagram. Because the Wi-Fi chipping out, so I'm using data on Instagram. So you now can get for follow the reasoning because the Wi-Fi keep chipping in and out. So log on over Instagram @Mr. Vegas Music. See? Yeah. 1 minute and we'll kick off the thing. So I give you 1 minute to reach over there. See? @Mr. Vegas Music on Instagram if you want to join the reasoning. See? 1 minute to reach over there. 1 minute to reach over there.
Them always see the glory, but they don't know my story. Gonna make it without family. The wicked and the right see me greatness.
Mr. Vegas Music on Instagram.
Once you want me brother, you're
I'm
my
gonna
brother,
end
you're
this
my
live in
brother
1
for
minute.
life. Once you want me sister, say we ever sell out each other. Look out for one another, we no beggar. We aim high, success now the measure. A real community, we share the treasure. Some of them get blood pressure when them see we doing better. They see the glory, but them don't know my story. Them don't know my story, them don't know my story. No time me did I look ahead story, but true me know me family did I go worry. Me have to learn to fight the dirty and show me. No a blessing Jah pour me. Me stay humble and so now I grow me. Ooh, yeah. Once you want me brother, you're my brother, you're my brother for life. Once you want me sister, you're my sister, you're my sister for life. Me no keep friend, you're my brother for life. Me no keep friend, you're my sister for life. You have some friend when I'm happy, say you're happy. Them me bust your head with a little shotty. Them no real, them a carbon copy. A dirty and black like Blue Mountain coffee. That's a me know different thing, cause some of them are zombie. Gonna prison so you kill your friend for your candy. But me family me different like a vigilante. Food in a storehouse and it plenty. Once you want me brother, you're my brother, you're my brother for life. Once you want me sister, you're my sister, you're my sister for life. Me no keep friend, you're my brother for life. Me no keep friend, you're my sister for life. Now everybody sing, my sister, my brother. We've been through the storm, through the weather. Stick together like birds of a feather. Nobody can say we ever sell out each other. Look out for one another, we no beggar. We ain't high success, now the measure. A real community, we share the treasure. Some of them get blood pressure when them see we do it better. Them want to see the glory. Well, them don't know my story. Couldn't make it without family. Wicked and the like see me greatness.
Alright. Alright, over Instagram, seeing? Last chance if you're getting for no reason. We're going to end the live now on Facebook. And we're going to kick it up over Instagram. Seeing? Pick it up over Instagram. So see you over Instagram, Facebook people. Alright. So here we go on now. I want to point out some things in a reason here where you have to just pay attention. See? If you want to learn anything. And we are trying to keep it respectful. See? Make we at least respect each other in the reasoning and agree to disagree. Alright? Make we respect each other in the chat and agree to disagree. See? Okay? Alright. Boom. Now, you have to understand when you see things, people. Don't just look on the surface. Alright? Don't just look on the surface when you see things that happen, people. You have to check it from a deeper meds. You see what I say? I'm going to point out something to you and I'm going to see exactly what I go on. Alright? Now, the little dancer, seeing? Simple Ravers. He must say, I do him live or whatever, he must get a link from when think was a girl. That I want to understand, you know. This thing here will link the youth. Pretend like it a one girl. See? Acted like a girl. And link the youth. See? We clear upon that? So the thing basically promote itself or put itself forward like a girl. Is the first time? No. Is the second time? No. Is the third time? No. Are the first person it catch? No. Are the second person it catch? No. Are the third person it catch? No. This thing, when I go show it picture, I go refer to it as a thing, because that maybe now is agenda. This thing, because we don't know really it a why, you know. So this thing, when I go look up this thing, because we don't know the story, so I go look up this thing, and look upon the history of this thing, we entrap the youth. Because you see, we're ready to kill the youth. Because when I look on the surface. See? No. Christopher Martin had been live. This thing come from Christopher Martin live like a girl. Christopher Martin never know say one girl. Start reasoning with the thing. The people in the Christopher Martin page catch it quick. And say, yo, I want boy, I want boy. I want boy. Because the people them know it. Christopher Martin don't know it. So we ever kill Christopher Martin, say him did entertain the thing? No. The thing try trick him. See? The something try trick Chris. Boom. The thing never satisfy. It go pan Octane link. Try trick Octane. Octane didn't know say I want thing? No. So it's a habit. For this thing, try go up on the artist them page or go up on the people them page. And try bring down the people them. Now, if you do your thing or you are tranny or whatever the hell you are, why you think you need to trick somebody? You know, just go and live your life and allow people make people live their life. Why you think you need to trick somebody? For people now go say the person I deal with what you I deal with. Why you can't find somebody without trick somebody? You can't get somebody without trick somebody. A trick, you have to dress up. If you go up on the artists them and the people them page, if you trick them, then you now set up the people them now, and then you come out now and put out information to the public now. Forget your little 15 minutes. When you destroy people's lives. Because you're not satisfied with yourself. You need help. Or you need one burying spot. You either need help or you need a grave. No, watch this again. You have some artists in the industry who promote them thing here. We entertain them thing here. We bring them thing up on the platform and make them feel like them can come do them things here and get away with it. So you have people like Maca Diamond post the thing on our page. Foottype go over there, go like picture. Foottype didn't know say I want thing or I want it. No, him never know. He go over there, go like picture. Foottype didn't know say I want something. He never know. So we can't beat Foottype and say Foottype you fish. We can't beat Chris and say Chris a fish. We can't beat Octane and say Octane a fish. No. Why the youth a fish? Because he show him penis and him bottom or whatever to the girl. When think I want girl, when think I want girl. So how much on boy I get to know brata. How much on boy you have bad man friend where I get brata. How much on boy you have artists where I sing say them I get brata. Because up to this point the youth think say I want girl him I deal with. Why we know this? Because the same thing which try trick him, try trick other artists. So if Uno did get tricked, because when I go tell me say couldn't happen to Uno, somehow Uno I send picture go give girl. Somehow Uno I send video go give girl. Somehow Uno I send would a jerk off go give girl and kind of thing I play on the nipple kind of thing I go give girl. Girl I tell her not to do all kind of things, yeah baby, do that way there, yeah, turn away there. How so what? True. Him think I want girl and him do it. Him a fish. So he will on a fish then. Because you don't know some of the people that want to send naked picture go give. You don't not even meet them. Some people are threatening the youth. Because somebody trick him. So me call the youth. And the youth I say, yo, him want to get himself in a problem. I say, you idiot. Get now which problem? Because enough money that want to kill the thing. Because if the thing do that to some man, it on the internet about, me want me $1,000. Me want me $1,000. You that did that very now. But you have to teach you say, yo, them look at 9 days dark as soon gone. And his mother, and his grandmother. Because people have feelings. So when you promote that little nasty boy, whatever it is, because we don't know what it is. When you promote that something there, and some of the artists will put it on the platform, these are the result. Because it get bright now. You know, empowered it. Misha Dean, batting off a show. Eh? Whether you're a man or you're a woman, Misha Dean, me know say. He might not the first time, he might not the last person that get brought up, boy. People, come on, people see. The people, enough people me here on a rate up enough. Come on, no chill. Bill, man, Bill. Because if walls could talk, no found out the backside, don't even depend on the life. No Bill, man. Bill. The man think he must show him body to a girl. Okay? He think he must show him body to a girl. No. Here the deepest part of the thing now. What I miss. Look what I miss. Another youth. Them want to bring down. When I miss the thing. That matter to say when I surface thing. When I surface thing. Another youth him offer. Or it offer. A ding dong. And rummage them thing we are going good. Them a try bring down. Nobody no really know that little youth there. But them a try do something now, figure draw ding dong them and rummage them and throw them thing a power up. Them a try drag ding dong them down in a them nastiness. That's why them put out conversation about them want $1,000. And them want the money from ding dong. We ding dong have to do this. You know, say a ding dong them a try bring down. Because them youth that stay over this and them now mix up in a nothing. So them have to try something to get ding dong them name mix up in a something. And then the vloggers them and everybody know want to bring ding dong name in a something because you don't have nothing to report about ding dong. You don't have no story upon ding dong. Because it have nothing to do with ding dong, but when you see how the person record the youth, first and foremost, me see the thing attack. And the thing say, it asks the youth if the youth love brata. The youth say yes. So it has set up a question them to record the youth. The youth get the question them and them have them phone and everything ready. Why you think them have phone? And question ready. For release to the public. Because a ding dong in touch them a try bring down. Because ding dong name now call up in a nothing boy you no can't get no story upon the youth. That's why them come and put out, but them a put out evidence. And nobody no know this youth. But in the dancing world, are in a circle. So what you think them do? Them try for Christopher Martin, it miss. Them try for Actian, it miss. And whosoever else them try for, miss. Go check. Them the same thing they want to see a try for. We try for we entrap the youth. Go check how much people name it call over the years. Where it say it in a things with. Them send it. For bring down the artists them. I send it. And for people like Macadam and have it a post on them page so foot I could have go over there go like the picture. A trap. So when I go discuss and say, oh, youth, you know what I do, I know what I send picture to, I know what I turn on the bottom to, I know this, I know that, I know, you can't deal with the ethical part of it, or the moral part of it. You can't deal with that. Deal with that and tell no people them don't do it. Teaching the youth them not to do them something there. But him for dead. When something I go around, I try trick people. I entrap the youth. But I'm not imunoa. I'm not imunoa. You can't get nothing from ding dong. The man married having wife, you can't get nothing to talk about. You don't get no little mix up from ding dong. You don't get no scandal from ding dong. You don't see him do him corporate Jamaica something them. You know I read. You know head a hurt. You know bad mind. You know want to bring down the youth. You know see Ramesh them thing a fire. You know see Shensia them thing a shot. Someone have to find a way to infiltrate it and try to put something on the youth them. So I want to go for one of the dancer them. To bring down the youth. And he look like now say the youth have to come out now. Like ding dong fi come out now, come denounce the youth. And come out now, come run with the youth. And come out, come say him no deal with them thing there. And all of them things there because you know want rejoice. When the corporate people them drop him. Uno line up on a tambourine ready for rejoice, you know. Uno line up on a champagne ready for pull it, you know. Because uno like see the youth them prosper. Uno like see the youth them that's why uno so quick for jump and wagon for tear down people. Because some of the woman not go on phone. Some of uno not go on phone, uno life boring. Some of uno are dead for hungry, uno want people dead for hungry like uno too. And uno not try and make it. Uno just look at next story or a next way of bring down somebody. So a ding dong, uno really want to know. You tell me, how much I did know that little dancer here? How much I did know him? But you notice how the message go when the message release. What was the message? Them want them money. Them want them $1,000. From who? From Ding Dong. From who? From Ramesh them. Where look at you when house burned down 2 times. Two times a man house burned down. When you get $1,000 from? The man do have 10,000 people on his page. And I in them what? I wanna get tricked. Because that's something they try bring down somebody from how long and can't catch. And not nasty. So them run try for ding dong now and try for the little dancer. We attached to ding dong. Because them know so that youth him have association with ding dong. Stop going to fool. No for we are talking, you know. And no for we are say youth are fish, you know. We not get brata too, you know. And we not give brata too. No for we give brata and I get brata too. A dear. No for we give brata and I get brata too. Yeah. If walls could talk. I wanna go say, oh. What? Please. There's nothing one can say. One no say already.
But me see it play a long time, people. From me see it drop, me know how I go on. From me see them a try draw a ding dong like me know how I go on. A ding dong them a try bring them. No, not for do the youth. No for una put all 1 foot over so and 1 foot over so and one girl do all kind of sing tune and man too. Yeah. I know for una have Shibada on the profile too, you know. I know for una come up on the youth, I know for una follow Shibada over there laughing, you know. Some of the big old man too, you know. And some of the so wanna be gangsters, you know. And so wanna be rude boy, you know. I know for una follow Shibada, you know. I know for una follow Shibada, you know. I know for una the Shibada page a kiki. And I call him anti-Shibi. So no well want a thing, you think I know no one drag down ding dong? Because you can't over anti-Shibi page and come and try bring down nobody. I come and call nobody fish. So go on over anti-Shibi page. How much I want to burn me out when me expose the nasty boy handsome, girly, for molest people, little boy pit me a foreign and go a prison feet and come to Jamaica still I hang out with little boys. I want to burn me out and say, yo, me fi leave him because God are the judge of all things. How much I want to burn me out? Go look for the comment back. Go back, go look for the comment them. After me, I said, no, little boy, no figure around a pedophile there. But we rather support a pedophile because that you know about tearing down somebody. You know, not for do the youth. A ding dong, I'm not trying to tear down. When I try to draw a ding dong in a mix up, and rummage them in a mix up, one can finally say, yes, victory at last. Oh, no, never make so much uproar. Oh, no, nasty vlogger. Oh, no, look a nasty vlogger boy never did pick up the story. When me expose the boy, girly, when molest little boy a foreign, and go to prison, and come to Jamaica still and hang out with little boy, and have a little boy over him house about nephew, come here, nephew, come here, nephew, come here, nephew. Oh, no, never make no uproar about that. I know that's the problem. Think of that one interested now? That one interested now. God forgive him. Him turn him life over to Jesus. None of them never make no uproar on that. Go ahead. The man thinks I want girl him a turn him bottom to. How much I want to turn on a batiki girl? And about brata on one. Brata. How much I want to sing, how much I want to jump up and sing song about brata. Go ahead. How much I want to hear video, all kind of sitting, I have phone conversation where when a bad man people, when a bad man friend, them attack, say them are going to get brata. Boy, you can't trick nobody, boy. Who not try trick? You know, go away. Allow the youth. Go away. Vegas, you don't eat that now. You don't eat that now. You don't want to eat that. Say this one, eat that. Angie. I must want troll. Angie. Vegas, I never knew women like men bottom. What? I hear them rock you the under. You know, hear them a boy. A brata, them a money want. I'm if I tell you. Brata. Uno you wear on the place, uno you girl uno see girl and girl a suck out tongue in a music video. Uno see girl and girl have threesome in a music video. Eh? Uno see them sit there go on. Some brata, uno soon see brata in a music video, man. Uno calm down, man. I wanna soon jump up and rejoice feet and bust be a shot. Boy! Boy! Oh, you mean? A brata around this thing. Boy! Boy! One time nobody could have kissed, no girl could have kissed no girl boy. I wanna know how to kill them. One time no girl could have want kiss no girl boy. What? Right now, a girl a kiss girl and girl a sing song about saying they want man push sitting down and then show all kind of thing and they want do all kind of things with man testicles and all kind of things and one bag of something. I wanna jump up and scream and crab up on yourself and go on like say sitting under no skin when you hear them say, go away. Him think him want get him brata. Girl ask him if he want brata, can he think a girl? He think a girl. So girl ask him if he want brata, and he say yes, he want brata. When I go kill him now, but when I go kill everybody, then we are sing about brata. And everybody we in a conversation that sings and attacks and they want brata. And everybody we talk about say them a bad man and they want brata. We no go. You think of the youth no really after? I think they're gonna try to bring down. We no can't trick nobody boy. Because them youth don't know they mix up something boy. We no go. You not gonna like me, you know. Think you not gonna like me? Go. Allow the youth. And a boy, and something there. There's something where I go around and try to trap the people. Them at that you know, figure burn out. At that you know, figure burn out. When I get it a pass where I try to go around and trick people. When I try to get it a pass and I focus on the youth, it will not figure try, you know, figure burn out, to burn it out. I want a nasty sitting them when I go on them page, I support them when I try to mix up people in them nastiness. When you hear them, when you go empower them, I want them try to mix up artists and them nastiness, you jump up and rejoice because you don't want to see people prosper, boy, you know. You don't want to see nothing go up for artists. A gunman, you don't want the whole of we turn to police kill we, you know. You think so, you don't love see success? You think you don't love the fact that we have a little talent and we come out of poverty? You think you don't like that? You think you don't like see that? Some of the police when they don't have to kill you, you know. And we go to prison, you know. I see when you see the youth success and I try to bring down the youth, you know. Because the youth know the internet and mix up something, you know. So when you try send a little nasty something here to one of the dancer them. And the first time I try. Okay? So everybody went try it. Everybody were liking picture. Everybody were bringing on their live. Everybody were what? Them a fish too? Them a fish? Them a fish? Oh. Bad man no show girl them bottom. Alright? Now you think that? Yeah, bad man you know show your girl the bottom. Oh, you know, so I feel think that. I feel oh, if him like that, I feel thing. Just don't show your one. If a man want to show him, if a man want a girl to brought her to him, I feel the man think that. Oh, everybody knows so holy, everybody know what is a crime and what is not a crime. Eh? Everybody have a right to live their life. But when you try to trap other people in your lifestyle, you have to dead. That me I say. And that me I go stick to. Me not blame the people them when you trap. See? Me not blame the people them when you trap. When you try to drag people down in your lifestyle, and that's the problem. Live your life and go and live your life. If you're happy with your life, go and live your life, but try go around and trap people. That's entrapment. See? If somebody ever chop off your head, and that me I tell you. And you must say, it come like you want to commit suicide and you don't know how to do it. Angie, company live. Yeah, you have enough question. Company live or come off of the page. Company live or come off of the page. Alright? I'm going to block you. Tapat bullshit. See? Cardi B, see? Cardi B, they release some information what she has said. Any man where she used to deal with, when them violate her, she just jump them and make transgender do things to them. Right? You hear that? Cardi B, when if I want to jump up and rail up to and go out that bag of things to. You should come right now on the turn groupie. What was her statement? She said she trap man. If transgender do things to them, drunk them, and make transgender do things to them. Make Chinese do things to them and them. So it's somebody drunk you and make a Chinese do something to you. What? But you still a celebrate her though. You still depend on her page. You still want to be groupie though. Ain't it so? This is so hypocrite. Bill man. Well, you know the reason why I talk about this because that's something there. That little something there where I try to go around and trap the artists them. And I try to trap people and I try to bring people in a nasty world. Somebody are gonna do something. Somebody are gonna do something, you know. Somebody are gonna do something. Can't say me never tell you. Somebody are gonna do something. You go on here. You go on and think I want joke thing. You think a joke thing when I try to tear up people's life. Yeah? Somebody are gonna do you something. Because everybody can live with that.
Yo.
Youth.
Yo, what's it?
So, me just want to ask you two questions. See?
Yeah.
At any point did you know that this thing here was a man?
No point never know that this person was a man. None.
Alright.
The person, everything don't look away. Yeah, the message them said, if you ever get a real lick, I say, no. That was the message them said. No. No girl in this earth can say, them ever go certain way for me, certain way. You get what I say?
When a girl ever go certain way, yes or no, that's a fear business. What I'm saying is, the point to me depend.
Yeah,
At any point did you know that this thing here? Hold on, before you make the point, hold on. We just want to ask you a question. At any point did you know that this thing here was a dude?
No time at all.
At any point did you promise this thing here going to get money?
No money. Which part of the proof that we template? Where is the proof? That was still at it.
Alright. Make your second argument.
Wait, no. So the other video that we are going around now saying is silent to but that is not me. You get what I say?
So it's not the kind of video where they must show up. So the video that they must show up, I'm one bag of something on you.
The other second video, third video, fourth video, whatever video they want.
Whatever they want add, alright. What if they want add and make?
Sweep on my life, my grandmother life.
You know if you sweep on General. Listen up. You know if you sweep on. Listen, man. Listen. You know if you justify nothing but whatever. You know if you sweep on nothing. There's something they have a habit to go around and dress up like girl and I trick people. See? No, let me talk. You don't need to validate what I say. Because something I put out there people can prove. There's something there. I go around and try to trick people. Dress up like girl and I try to trick people. Whether you did want brata from it or whatever you did want from it, you think I want girl. What me say? Facts. Argument done. Don't make nobody try to bring you down, you and don't do nothing foolish. See? I tell your mother and your grandmother to stop stress them head. See? Something try entrap you, I saw you go. If you want to get brought or whatever you want to do, you and your business that, Bridget. But nobody not supposed to try trick you or try trap you in that, Bridget.
I'm alive, I get tarnished too.
See?
And I just mean get tricked. I'm alive, I get tarnished, and I get tricked. And them thing there. You get me?
Anybody we are threatening you, ask them if they are not sin. We fling a stone. Alright? Good. Look up it, brother. Big up your mother. Hey, look, hey, you see, hey, let me tell you something, man. You see you? Somebody I go kill you, you know. I just that me a one, you know. I bet you somebody lick you. Go around with people life. Go around with people life. And things like funny, I want to come on internet and go want to support it. Me say you go mess with the wrong person. Remember me tell you, know, you go mess with the wrong person. And I'm going to find you. I bet you mess with the wrong person. You see you get brazen? You go mix with the wrong person. I bet you go mess with the wrong person. And you go dead. Remember me tell you that. Go and try tarnish people life. Whether the man is saying one brat or whatever, the thing posed like a girl to trick the youth. See? That we are deal with. You can't go this side and debate and decipher what you want to decipher and act like the only person who never hear. Especially in our industry. So we're going to stop playing alkaline song them. You know, saying like brother. Not for go. Rather in reasoning, but come on, let's call it. We're not going to stop playing song them. We're not going to stop support artists who have friends. We can't come boast about them want to go get brata from girl. We don't go here, man. If a man want to get brata, film business that, you know. But nobody not supposed to trick nobody. Dress up like girl. And then I come and put out video. And then I come put out this and I put out statement and I come try tear down the youth them. And people are try drag ding dong in it. Because when they want ding dong come out, come say. Yo, we burn batty boy. And that they want ding dong come out, come say, you know. Yo, we don't need them man. Yo, we not deal with them man because them man they have, and that them want ding dong come say. Bam! Company dropping. I wanna laugh. Ain't it so? So that because something they want to see a go around and try bring down the artists them. You see that something that go around and try bring down the artists in try for Chris Martin. It try for Ayactane. Macadam and put it up on her page. I think I hit Macadam and put up and put her go over they go like the picture, put her hype up, put Macadam in her place and say, yo, where you gonna put this on your page and you know say people like me follow you. Me see something on your page and wind up. So put that fish. No. Macadam and put something on her page like one girl. Put I thought it was a girl. Go man. Allow the youth.
Yeah.
Hear me, man. Hello?
Yes.
Yeah, man. So I go on.
Hi, one.
Me there, man. Vegas.
Yeah, man, I'm hearing you.
Yeah, man. No, me just talk to you. Me just talk to you, boy, I know. Him good, man.
Alright.
Him good, man. Don't worry your head, man. Him good, man.
Listen now, you see, the thing is this, them know that he's a girl's man. That's how come the first point they can know they can get in tricked. Because they see him, more time I have to tell him, say, for cool off with the girls them to come in. I tell her that's straight. When I ask somebody that, I tell her that's straight. That's my son from the first born. And I tell you, oh, it is, them just putting out that my son is bad, and it's nothing like what they are saying.
Don't worry your head, man. Everything good, man.
Yes, because me as a mother, me didn't want to get on the point from the beginning. But he didn't want me to get myself into it because I was so torn up after all things.
You don't have to say nothing, man. Everybody have them like a thing with them fetish, whatever people have. Everybody have their own lifestyle and whatever. You don't have to say nothing about that. But when a man go try trick him and try now put out things in the public now try what? For prove what? Don't worry your head, mama, man. Him good, man. Them can't do nothing, man. Him good, man.
I for one as a mother can tell you that even his aunt and everyone is torn up by this. And me have to stop my son from bringing so many girls here because there's no vacancy here.
Mama, let me tell you something.
This is the only way they could treat my son.
Let me tell you something. Hear this as a parent, see? Come as a parent, see?
Yeah.
Whether your son did straight or your son did whatever, nobody not supposed to try trick him and drag him in anything to try tear him down.
Yes, that's what they do.
Because if I a pitney and anything, him a living lifestyle, whatever, I a pitney same way, I go love him same way, I whatever same way.
Yes.
See him? So you don't become justified to whosoever know want take something to go run with. We say you try defend your son, whatever. What I'm saying is, whether your son did I live him life, whatever way I live him life, your mother. You never come prove nothing to the world. I come tell them people are not for them feel like, oh, his mother said him always have enough girls that come very. You know.
I don't have to be saying
exactly.
These things.
So your son, you love him unconditionally. What me just say? And your pitney, you love him unconditionally. We are parents. None of them are chat them on parents. Big up yourself, mama, and don't worry yourself about nothing.
God bless you.
Good.
All right.
This thing here, see? He did put out something in the paper one time, say, at the tender age of 13 years, it was raped by its uncle and forced into the streets by its family. In a bid to stay alive, it turned to prostitution, selling its body to everyone and anybody who was willing to offer the best price. But it wasn't too long after it met with another sexual molestation. It met with another sexual molestation ordeal. This time the perpetrator, left a permanent strain, on its health. It is now infected with the HIV virus. And suicide end up on people. But then have the heart to jump. I got them one goat. So they might do anything to make themselves feel better. So they might try to trap people in anything. Okay? So because it was a victim, what am I supposed to know? Sorry feet? When it go around and try to trick people? Because it was a victim, try to find a building and leave people alone. That I want to tell you. Leave the people alone and stop trying to tarnish the people in life. See? I go get help. Go get help. Go get help. And HIV is no longer a death sentence. So you can live with it. The medication. Can't come like a set you try to set up somebody to kill you. And if you don't want to take a medication, look for a building. Simple as that. Just look for a building.
Nah, show myself in a Vegas. Nah, show myself.
I read community, we share the treasure. Some of them get blood pressure when them see we doing better. They see the glory, but then they know my story. Them they know my story. Them they know my story. One time me did I look at a story, but true me no.
If the youth are my brother, and I'm going to try to trick him, that now change my brotherly love for him. You know? I don't know about you, but that now change my brotherly love for him and my brother that. You see? I'm supposed to know my brother. See? Yeah. So my brother that for life. So my brother for morning and my brother for life. So if I did my brother for life. See? And it's something where I try to grow and trick people. Me have a problem with. And me have a problem with for my brother. That's enough to know. And where I promote it. And where I get coverage. And where I laugh up with it. See? And where I laugh up with it and I get coverage. And I make it feel like it as somebody. It and the next one I want to call auntie. And the next one I want to call girly. When you go in, when you get out, when you move, when you go in, when you go burn out girly, we still a go around like a boys. After I get prison time of foreign for molest people go I pick me. I don't have to go burn if I put in the energy over this up. When you go and play, go and play, when you monitor him. I will when you go monitor. Can me see him put up videos on little boy from one day. When you go monitor him. Here, Turtle.
Yeah, no star. You know, so now you the story, me check say, is it somebody when just meet, but no, when me hear you say, is a thing where I go around and I trick people. No, so somebody have to put a stop to that, man. You
I
feel me?
regular do it, you know, brother.
Regular
I regular
thing. And you let me
regular.
just know. Come me here foot type, but I talk about what him. I check say just somebody, like if somebody will just come on
And the
and
same
kill.
artist in the industry promote it too. Come Macadam and them have it in a video. I put on them page about a wine up like it a girl. That do not be understand that. Them are empower it. For they run the little nasty something.
Them to run them people, them and them, you know, put the business, making business the nastiness, man. And them are bringing the nastiness in the place.
You mean,
So
not a
far,
problem nobody will want to live their life, you know, but when you try to tear down people, the artists are supposed to take you put upon them page because Macadam and them know say it try to trick Christopher Martin. Macadam and know say it try to trick acting. And Macadam and them still have it to put upon them page. And that me I tell you, so some of them people in the industry, they might encourage them to nasty something here. To come try to trick people.
no, Macadam, I should know better than that, Macadam. I can't, you know. No, I give you the roads of the dancer, and I pull up
And foot
the
type over
dancer.
Macadam and page go like it picture, you know.
Me
And why
hear
you know,
my talk about it, man.
I know the foot type is a man that burn them thing the straight. Foot type get mad pan and say, girl, what you do?
Macadam and a rule, I want low thing them the Macadam, and I want to hear Macadam.
Foot type get mad pan and say, yo, what you do to me?
For
Because
real.
one of people start link up, put up phone and I say, yo, where you like that picture there? What kind of, and the man I say, which picture? Because put up picture one girl. Then it put up a girl, you can't think of one girl.
Yeah.
Nobody no immune from it.
And then she come, it come back and up and a little youth.
Come from the liquid. But on the liquid, the alpha, ding dang them alpha, brother. Ding dang them a try dragging at them something, because they want ding dang go say something and denounce the youth with and burn out Batman so they can, so the deal them. When ding dang have with Corporate Jamaica drop him, and ding dang it off.
Ding dang too intelligent for that, man. They can't.
The man they don't mix up, brother. The man they eat them food and they way over there. So the man they not talk up on internet like me, brother. The man they chat to people. When the man they chat to people where work or people in a dance or people select and people in a dance team sometimes. The man they a businessman, brother. The man they love people from far, brother.
You ever set a cult in Jamaica now when them see certain people that step up in the business and they try all kind of things to try to get to them.
Facts. That look nasty something if somebody chop him. No say I word,
man. For real.
Yeah.
Yeah, no. Bless up yourself, youth.
No say a word.
Right, come on. I think the new thing,
Just click it off, man. Cause yeah, me see it too.
yeah.
I'm Maka good people, you know, I not say nothing bad about Maka, but I say, yo, I them think they empower them. I not say nothing bad about Maka. Because she promote her thing, but me say them think they make them feel like they can come in the industry, come do them something to people. When them a decoy, I try look somebody to bring them. Them a decoy. So true, Maka them don't really know the levels, Maka them don't really know the 100. Maka them don't know the 100. Maka them don't know say set them to try bring down people. Have you know that? Here.
Yo, Sobe, what going?
Wait a second.
Bless up yourself. Here what going on. Everybody have their opinion, see?
Facts.
I'm going to give my opinion, no joke. If a man so comfortable, I tear out him not so good part to somebody where Scarlett, I'm not sure says a female or whatever. How can you call that a setup?
All right. You see him a tear out something?
I see the video, of course I see the video.
And you watch him a tear out in bottom?
Yeah.
And you know say him?
Him never see him. I see him come live.
No, he said people have put out video with other people and kind of sitting under him. So you know say him?
Me don't know say him.
Well, you go on. Me no watch the video.
Remember, I start the conversation so me I give my opinion.
Well, listen what I say now. Me never want to see video, brother.
Well,
because
me see, me not tell you
listen what I say. As a man is straight,
yeah.
this is what I say first and foremost. He was no sin cast the first one. As a man is straight, me not even want to see that video there, bro.
And if you see it, what you going to do?
Me don't want to see it. Nobody can send me that. Me don't want to see it. That me, brother.
You never see nothing you never want to see?
Never.
Okay.
Never.
You sure about
because
that?
You go now. From somebody sense it and they say, yo, whatever, me hear argument that wrong. Me don't want to see that, bro.
Me feel like you defend him still. I'm not drawing down or nothing. But me not feel like you defend him. Why you defend him?
100%. Because here I may defend. Because just like how somebody send you the video and you never know where they're on it, and you watch a video and the man skin out, me that say somebody send it and you never know what, me want to call you a fish.
So what you say? Him say, I know him.
Leave that alone. We don't know if I true that. But what I'm saying is, let me talk to you.
But you say him set up where all a big man
before we get to that. Just like how somebody sent you the video. You never know there's a man that skin out in bottom. And you watch it. Me not go say, yo, what kind of video that you watch? Because somebody sent it here and never did know. No.
Okay.
Somebody pretended to be a girl. If he love brother, brother, and he want to say, I saw you want the brother, or I saw you want the brother, or I hope so you want the brother, brother, I feel thing that brother. See?
Right.
The fact still remains said, him think I want girl. You like it? You like when a girl give a blowjob?
Of course.
I hear thing that.
But no girl can't play my rear.
So what I know? That are your thing, bro.
Cause that's gay. Any man who have fimble them wear about him, man, brother.
Alright. So
I not see at him now.
Hold on. Exactly. Alkaline gay.
Who you ask that? How me know that?
You know your Alkaline sing song saying one brother.
Yeah, you ever see Alkaline dig out in rear? Me never see that.
You see man that dig out in rear?
Me see a video. Me never say him. Me still never say him.
You see a video with...
Hold on, Vegas. Hold on, hold on. A too big man a reason. You have to give me a chance to talk. Not because your name is Vegas. Alright, here we go.
Yeah.
Me never see him, I say any man riding out there wear about the boy.
So me ask you, not the video. You see
I did not say Ravers. The video, the man I dig out in rear. The video.
How long is the video? How long is the video?
Vegas, when I do want to elaborate on the video, because it's an uncomfortable video. No, comfortable about the video.
Answer me now. How long is the video?
Me don't know. But watch you know. Hold on. Man, I go say, them no watch the video and them watch it. Me see. Me no remember how long it is. It was uncomfortable. See? Because me hear the talk where I say.
So you watch the video and see a man a play with him rear.
Vegas, why you speak on that?
Now ask you.
Because we done past this. Yes. You know say you're trouble, you.
It's uncomfortable if you talk about it and you watch it.
Brother, me no want to sleep on it because I know that alone is like conversation, brother. We are conversation.
Alright, let me ask you now. So now you're traumatized now.
Me not traumatized.
You pray about it and you ask God to take them things out of your mind.
No, man, me control my mind. God give me knowledge and strength to control.
So the youth say the video them we are going on and him in another video.
Well, you have to give a man the benefit of the doubt. As me say, me not say him. I just give my opinion.
That's what I'm saying. If I did even him in the video, brother, the fact me not debate that whether I'm not brother, whether I want whatever I want to do. What I'm saying is, bro, if you love brother.
No, me not love brother. So there's no.
Brother, I don't
just say a man, not say me.
Anyway.
You're generally speaking.
Whatever you like.
Right.
Is a woman you want to do it to you. You don't want the man to give a blowjob, no?
Fair enough.
But if a
of course, man, well, yeah, not fair enough, of course.
But listen what I'm saying.
That of course. Yeah.
But listen what I'm saying. If a man dress up like a girl and give a blowjob, that means you're gay?
That one the hard to answer, but what you know?
Why hard to answer?
Because that wasn't the case.
You don't know, somebody dress up like girl.
Alright, we have to put him in the situation now, even if I know him. A man comfortable enough to take off his clothes and apply them not so good part to somebody. Him have to be comfortable with that person. You can't do that to a random person, brother.
But family, you might meet a girl on the internet and the girl say if you send picture go gear or whatever. If I meet a girl on the internet say, yo, you love them thing there?
Vegas, it's okay to send video go gear a random girl, but once you go around they say you're a fish.
But may I ask you again,
if
you send a video to a random girl and there's a drag queen and you never did know, are you a fish?
No.
But him a fish if him never did know say I'm a man.
Because you play with your rear. Once you go
So
around this one, I get
how much
intercourse.
man, the girl, whatever, first and foremost, him say some of the video them are grown, whatever. In the video them with them, they say
Bro,
about 3-4
as I
videos.
said, Mr.
So
Vegas.
him
So,
say about
Mr. Toby,
3-4
hold on
videos.
now. Let me
Right?
get this clear. Let me get this clear. Because, you know, people probably just joined the line. So, I could get it clear. I did not say it was him. I now cast no stone. We are generally speaking. Because him say not him. So, we have to give a man the benefit of the doubt. Because she ain't anything. So, we now go just come kill the youth. But according to the situation, if I him, that's a Batman move. Excuse my language if that can't say on live, but
Alright, I mean I ask you again. If you and a girl, if you meet a girl on the internet and you send a hood your girl, or if she say she wants to see a hood,
yeah,
and is a tranny and you never did know, are you a Batman?
no. Is that you have the person as a female, but that's a different scenario. That's what I'm trying to tell you, sir.
So because him have the person as a female, but because a brother him did want him a fish.
Yeah.
So the artists, the man, them thing that we rate and support, we proud of them brother, them a fish.
So Vegas, I don't want to fool you at all. Which artist need to tell us them rate you talk about, bro?
You rate Alkaline?
I rate Alkaline music.
Yeah. Him a fish?
What the fuck? Mr. Vegas, easy. What kind of question you ask me?
Me ask you, you say the youth a fish. So me accept
Mr.
Alkaline
Vegas, you 9 out of 10 times you get closer to Alkaline than me. You're an artist. Is Alkaline a fish? Let me ask you.
Yeah, question can't answer question. Now you say a man a fish because
I don't know nothing about him. I'm asking
because
you.
the man want brother, him a fish. You say because the man want somebody go to him rear, him a fish. In
All
order
right.
for a man to
I
get
am a
brother,
very intelligent too. Listen
but
this.
listen,
A brata is a Jamaican word for more. Your granny can't get that and said the granny want brata, you know. We want more. Okay? Everything have to put into context. You can't understand. We are Jamaican. Now what is Vegas? You think I want to fool that talk to you?
So Alkaline did ask you more. Alkaline did ask you more when
I
you
don't
see what
know.
brother.
I don't know. I'm saying if a man say you still like how you try this your man a case and you say him and a fish and you defend him.
No. I'm not saying that, bro.
So what are you saying? What are you saying?
Me say nobody not supposed to set up nobody like that. And that me say, bro. If I did you and a man set you up,
But
and it's a drag queen, if a tranny set you up,
them do anything, you know, them don't gone bad already. You know?
if a tranny set you up and you send a hood picture go get a tranny brother, me that say I hear that thing for them set you up.
Of course.
I'm not call you a fish.
But that wasn't the case for him.
What was the case? What was the case?
What we know?
What was the case?
We still want to go on the internet, www.com.
What was the case? Tell me what was the case.
Mr. Vegas, you know and I know. Stop playing naive.
What was the case? What was the case? Tell me.
All right. Allegedly, in the video, I played him wrong part to man, which him thought it was a woman. So give the benefit of the doubt. All right. Let's be fair now. All right. Say a man swear says a woman and him get comfortable and him want to get kinky with the woman. That's okay. But when you're gone rare, that's fishy. Point blank period. Me not say him, you know, generally speaking. Because we're not sure. But me now go defend him and me now go chastise him.
Let me ask you a question. Every man we girl the brother to them gay?
You have a gay tendency.
Okay.
I think so.
All right. That's
you're too comfortable around this, so that's my opinion.
I can't respect that.
You see, man? Yeah.
I can't respect that. But that means that somebody must trick you to bring that out though to the public, right?
No. Once you go around this, and I play with around this, boy, I don't know.
So if you rate an artist and empower with people with love them thing then, what do you say about the artist? Say artist a fish. I'm friend of a fish.
Him not to be fish.
Oh, him just like brother.
Vegas, no man bedroom, I don't know, no man.
So it's so easy to say him a fish. It's so easy to say him a fish, but other people who want brother, them a fish.
You're lying on me. I did not say he's a fish.
But me just ask you.
I did not say he's a fish. I say a man will do that comfortably.
But people who have gay tendencies to call them fish.
Yeah, you can say that. Yeah, them a fish. Me not dispute no fish in the type of fish a fish. Whether care tendency or gay tendency or fish. Me nah sugarcoat it. You have to go save a life, you.
But it no mean say somebody entrap you though. Don't it?
Vegas, I don't wish
Can we
to
agree
know.
to disagree on some? Can we agree to disagree on something?
Of course, we're
It
human
no mean
beings.
say somebody be try trap somebody with a phone and with questions ready to go
No, it's unfair if that's the
right,
case. We still a set
right,
up, I'm not sure. Cause
right.
everybody are gonna try come denounce themselves
So the
because
fact that somebody can't even have phone and questions ready and have a plan, then premeditated it, right? So that means if it
I think so.
premeditated,
Yeah,
if it premeditated, all you know, so the person them can cook up some video to add to it.
that's
Because the
possible.
person actually
Me,
have
me not
phone
take
set up
away the
with.
possibilities. I'm not taking
So
away
what
the
I'm saying is,
possibilities.
if somebody actually have questions and have, and if you listen to the youth, you hear the youth say the question and what them they are asking, right? So the person had questions and the person already have a phone set up. That means that the person already planned to do this, you know. So you know
Of
think
course.
it's possible that the person have actually edit some things or put some things out there to say the youth.
All right, you are Mr. Vegas.
Yeah,
Yes. Can I say my piece?
yeah.
You see, even if you have a gun on me head, you can't get me to video around this. You have to go kill me.
Me not say that, bro. What I'm saying is, if the person have a history of trying to trap people, and the person have a phone set up, and the person have question line up, and the person come out now and tell about them they do $1,000 and them something there. Why would you trust that the person would not add things to the conversation or add things to what happened? Because they
That's
want to
past.
make
All
point.
right, Mr. Vegas. Say the youth never. Say them splice the video. We know about splicing, right?
Yeah.
Then we have the youth him get
But
trapped.
but
That's
not
it.
besides of the youth say more than one video out there, they must say him and him. And
Well,
then
me
he
no
say,
know.
him say the talking him and the person that talk. But me could
All
have
right,
a
Mr. Vegas, you
conversation.
know what? Say,
Me could have a conversation with a girl. See me say, when me think say, look, is a girl and it end up being not a girl.
of
Because I was
course.
on the internet, I was a girl picture, I like girl picture, I kind of say,
Yeah, that's true. That's possible. All right, you know what? Say, me see you
right.
do an interview one time and me hear say a thing say. You have sometime you go a show and perform. And the clippings where you a fuck up the place, them show all different artists of flop. Allow me I tell?
Yeah, but that either
All
here
right.
or there
Saying
still
that to
to the
say
conversation.
things can splice me, general. Right? So
But regardless, what I'm saying is the person have a history of trying to trap people.
all right. Let me
You
ask you a
understand me? I
question.
say,
Are you on the defense of the guy?
the youth,
Yeah.
of course, me I support the youth. Me never argue.
Why?
You know, me call him because somebody try set him up or somebody set him up.
Okay. All
It's
right.
enchantment.
All right. Say him did that big out him Ray. You know think our funny move that?
I know my business that. I know my business that. Me no want to see that. Me no want to watch that. If I'm my friend
So you still a
and somebody
support
set
him.
him
You
up,
still a
if I'm
support
my
him
friend
then.
and somebody set him up and they set him catching that some acca whatever and he thinks I want girl and he want to show a girl saying freaky, I'm a friend. My brother.
So you're still your friend if him dig out him
My
right up
brother
on.
for life. My brother for life. Once
Me I
him
go
think
have, me I
a
go me
girl,
I go have him off still. All in my
once
biological
him
brother,
think,
if you make them move
brother,
there,
brother,
me I
you
have
have
him
no
off.
friend, you have no friend, we don't know what they're doing in the bedroom, brother.
Of course. Me and you,
Facts.
both of us. Me not sleeping
Facts.
in the boy bedroom.
Me say, I never said that, bro. Stop,
No, I'm just
semantics.
saying. I'm
We
just
are
saying. Me
friends.
not say
We
you
are
are say.
friends.
Me,
We are
I'm just
friends. We are
reiterating on
friends.
what you're
We are never
saying.
good
So
friends.
none
And we
of
are
we
never
don't know
good.
when no boy are doing in them bedroom.
We have people we're close to. We don't know what them doing in the bedroom. So when me ask you
Of
a question,
course.
if you have a friend and a video come out, say a video come out like, where I'm the policeman. If that be a friend,
Me don't know. That's up to you.
me not that be a friend, man. You're my brother for life, man. Brother
Okay.
for life. Brother. Worse is man, they try to trick you and make you think you want girl. Brother for life. If you want to get brother,
But
you think that brother for life.
Mr. Vegas, I talk about Saddam versus oral sex are two different things.
What is Saddam?
Something very wrong.
What is very wrong?
Going in the wrong hole. And
You know,
one
say
lane
blowjob is very wrong to some people, right?
to some people.
Oral sex is very wrong to some people. You know that, right?
Yeah. Bare minimum right now.
Right. So what is very wrong to you? Some people, them all right with it.
That are some people. You have weird people out there that
But
don't
it
mean
is
you're right.
relative, bro, because
Mr.
what is
Vegas,
right to you,
Mr.
what is
Vegas,
right,
not,
what is
because
right
you're
to
all
you.
right with something that don't mean it's right.
What is
Neither
right?
me.
What is right? What is right and what is wrong?
Right is right and wrong is wrong. That's it. Point blank period.
You decided that it is wrong, but me can say,
No. Whatever me and you decide is opinion. Right is right.
but brother, at one point we used to say, "Oh, cat for dead," ain't it so?
Me never said that. Probably you.
Brother, we grew up in a culture there.
Yeah.
The more songs we hit at Jamaica are anti-bow song, brother.
And then I go back to my point. Sodom is Sodom. Oral sex or oral sex.
Then you make a girl give a blowjob is Saddam too, bro.
How is it Sodom?
How you mean? In
How is
our
it Sodom?
culture, Saddam that.
Should I go down no one way? Which culture? What is your culture?
Brother,
You see, at Jamaica,
brother.
I run them thing there right now. What you talk about?
Alright. You do oral sex to girls?
No? Why girl there?
Why?
Send
Why you don't
here.
do oral? Why you don't do oral sex to a girl?
Because I don't eat raw meat.
So you're a girl raw?
I don't eat bloody meat. I don't eat no pum pum.
What?
You eat pum pum?
That's my business.
Okay.
But because you said things wrong, me ask you.
Okay.
Because you have to extenuate.
You are telling me some I said things wrong. How
You
me I
have
said
to
things wrong?
extenuate why it is wrong for you to eat her pum pum, but it is right for her to have oral sex with you.
I've never forced a girl to do oral sex with me.
But whether you force her yes or no, why is it right for her to do it to you, but it is wrong for you to do it to her?
I did not even say it's wrong for me. I just said I don't do it.
And we go back to the argument.
Mr. Vegas, listen, me tell you, I don't want to go fool you dog to you today.
You keep saying that, brother. I mean, I try turning that
because you know why I keep on saying that? Because you try to use some little reverse.
What I'm saying to you, bro, what is wrong? What is wrong to you? Maybe okay to somebody else, bro. Just say you just have to just live your life and people live for them life, bro.
Yeah, of course. But Sodom, brother, you know what to we in some society now where we too acceptance. It's like we don't take no stance for right or wrong.
But what is wrong?
That? Wrong is wrong, right is right.
The act that you so proud of used to be immoral in our society.
What act I'm proud of?
Now we have songs where man actually say it and girl actually sing it and people actually say, yo, I'm proud of it. So what is wrong and what is right? Maybe time I go come when everybody I go sing about Brata boy and you go jump up and reel up feet too, and then we are going to look back and say, yo,
you ever hear them say you have three sides to every story?
Me not talk about that, brother. Me I say to you, say,
what is wrong? No, we are talking about that because I'm giving you my definition of wrong and right.
What is wrong to you? Your definition. That is the point. You made it wrong.
I don't make it wrong. Mr. Vegas, my opinion can be wrong. But you see, the facts is always going to be the facts.
All right, brother. Big up yourself. One time.
No, see a word. Blessings.
See a word. Boom. All right. So, again, people, me have a problem with people and them lifestyle. See? Megs, love me alone. Just leave me alone, Bridget. Hear me, I say. Me never problem with people and their lifestyle. Come on, I'm brought up in business that, but what I'm saying is that nasty something there. We are going to try tricky people, I try trap the people. That is the problem, people. That's the argument. And my business to you one brother. I him like brother. And my business that. Me still rate alkaline. Me still rate some artists with a bad man friend where I get a proud to go get them brother. You see me I say? If a man will love brother, if him think that. If me not like brother, I might think that. You see me I say? But nobody not supposed to try to trap you. And that we are talking about. Nobody not supposed to try to set up nobody. To bring them in them nastiness. Alright? Let me bring on a scholar. Because I can't take too much. I want to bring on something bright.
General.
Here you go.
General. Yo, I'm a little late for the reasoning, so I just want you to fill me in so I can
All
catch
right.
up.
So you have this thing, right? So it dress up like girl, and it always go on the artist them platform and go on people platform and trick the people them into make them believe that it is a girl. See? So it went on Christopher Martin's page. Chris thought it was a girl, was there flirting with it, and the people them said, Chris, no, Chris, find out a wagwan, and boom. See? It got on Iactane zone. Iactane thought it was a girl. Boom. People them shout out, Iactane, no, boom, boom. Go back, Macadam and put it on our page. Go over there, go like it picture. Why may I say all of that? Why is that relevant? Because it's a habit of this thing trying to present itself as a girl. When I look like a girl, yes or no, I've not seen its pictures dressing up like a girl because I'm not interested neither way. See? What I'm saying now, the thing now must go up on a dancer youth page we're associated with ding dong them. I'm in a ravers. See? So the thing now, trick the youth, make the youth think say it is a girl, and the youth, and I ask the youth some questions like if the youth like brata, and if the youth like this, and if the youth like that, and basically I flirt with the youth, and the youth I flirt back with it. See? Them say, it put out now video with the youth are showing bottom. And some text message where I ask the youth about if the youth like them things, very blah, blah, blah. Through the whole process, the youth think it was a girl. See? So what I'm saying is, we never problem when people are live them life the way they want to live their life. If you give it straight to straight, your business that. But when you're trying to trap people and then have all your things them ready, all your plans premeditated, have your video, have your question, everything, and then come out now and send out basically expose the youth. That is entrapment, and that is not only trying to bring down the youth because you know so the youth associated with ding dong them and ravers them, yeah, try to bring down the whole team with ding dong them and everybody. So the vloggers them, everybody know are running it, and people are say the youth are fish. Because the youth say me do and brother friend, so when think was a girl. So me basically say, yo, no. Them try to chop the youth. And the youth think I'm a girl. So the question is he whatever, a fish? Because man they try chopping. So the man say friend him want to show him bottom him a fish.
So I think the bottom part is definitely a bit fishy, but I be trying to give people the benefit of the doubt. But I definitely think the bottom business is a bit, I don't know, you know, it's a bit smoky, you know? You know where there's smoke, there's fire. But with the person that you're talking about, because I feel like I vaguely heard about them like here and there. I'm sure I know who you're talking about. But I think that's where the line is drawn. I feel like I don't care what people of that lifestyle do with their life, what they do. But when they start to try to play games to trick other people, the irony about it is that they want us to take their sexuality seriously, but they don't take our sexuality seriously enough to respect it. Feel what I'm saying? So I feel like when you start to play those type of games, I don't be wanting to promote violence, but like as the community, we shouldn't be encouraging shit like that, because all that shit does is and on the flip side of the coin too, all that shit does is it hurts their cause, because they want people to respect them, and they want people to respect their sexuality. They need to also be able to give us that same liberty. That's all. That would
be like seeing you go at the club, right?
Mm-hmm.
And a dude dress up like a girl, and you take it home, or you take it to your hotel, and then you asleep, right? Say you go in here and drop asleep, because enough artists go home from club and drunk and go drop asleep, whatever. And this thing, you know, take picture with you when you're asleep and put out there and whatever. Would that be? What would that be?
So you know, Vegas, there was actually a court case. I'm sure you remember it. And that actually happened to a guy. He went to a club. He met one of those people, and he took that person home. and he ended up in the middle of doing what they was doing, realized that it was a man. He ended up reacting, killing the person, and then when he went to trial, he beat it.
Because I
He
think it was
beat
a
it.
girl.
Yeah, he beat it because of multiple different variables, but essentially because the person misrepresented themselves. And
All right.
yeah, go ahead.
So me ask another question. If a man get brought in gay,
So no, no and
why? Why
yes.
not?
No, so
Why
no
no
and
one is?
yes.
Explain the no and the yes.
All right. So according to our culture, yes. But
Okay.
on the grand scheme of what homosexuality is, no. So being gay is having a sexual attraction to someone of the same gender, a
Of the
man to
same
man.
gender.
Yeah,
That is the
whatever you
definition of
do,
that is the true definition of being a
yeah,
homosexual, right?
a sexual attraction, yes. So
All right.
whatever you get sexual pleasure from, as long as it's from a woman, like technically speaking, even like you know how someone like get bugger and them type of business, technically speaking, that's not gay. But if you asked me, I would say that was gay. You feel what I'm saying?
Some gay shit. So we don't say, yo, that's some gay shit.
Yeah, we would say that's some suspect shit. But in terms of by definition, as long as you're not sexually interested in men, as long as whatever you do is coming from a woman, but by technical definition, you're not gay.
So that means that every man will get brought up based on our definition of our culture, them gay.
Yeah.
Well,
Based on
enough
our
gay.
culture, which is Caribbean culture, men are not supposed to get pleasure out of them type of things. They're not
So
supposed
that's
to
the
get.
question. If a man sit down and watch a video with a man and play with him bottom, him gay?
If you watch the video with another,
Yeah.
that would be gay. Yeah. That would be gay.
So all of the man them we have to them watch the youth video, them gay then.
Well, but here's the thing though. If they watch the video and they got aroused by it, they gay.
But me don't know that. Me don't know that. Me don't know that. But the fact that them have it in the position and I watch it, that means that them gay.
Because me personally, I can't see. I could never watch something like that. Like something about
Bro,
that.
I will never admit. Say somebody even send me that and me open it, bro. Me, as it comes from my phone. Bam. Hey, yo, what that you send me, virgin? Yo, your mother.
Yeah. That
So your man to
like
come
that
to
to
me
get you
like the
blocked.
virgin will just come on. The virgin will just come on. The reason I say this, I now say by definition the man is a homo, but the fact that the man so compatible, the man could have even give you an analysis. I will go on in the video. May I say, yo, no people based on our culture gay.
Yeah. Well, based on our culture, based on our culture, any man who watches sodomy or body watch is gay. Based on our culture, I think that's a good argument.
So that means that if them are going to kill the youth, then enough man boy have to dead enough.
Yeah, pretty much. Pretty much.
All right, boss.
The apple getting slammed. Pretty much. You hit it right in the head, per usual.
Me no want to see that. Nobody can send at least my little circle no, so nobody can send that to my phone, bro.
Yeah. But you know, the truth is just though, I'll say this lastly. It's just like with the Yamen business. Enough men burn out fire on men who go down on other women when it's a lot of guys doing that. And the same thing could apply to that whole bati wash shit too. Enough men burning out fire on that, but they into that bati wash business too. You feel what I'm saying?
Facts.
That's what it is.
100% facts.
That's why you gotta watch the people that spend a lot of time worrying about another person's sexuality. If you're secure within yourself, you're not gonna be too absorbed about what other people are doing sexually. But when you worried about yourself, you worried about other people because it kind of gives you comfort, reinforcing the sense like, oh, they're doing it, so it must be okay. You know what I'm saying? But I don't know, maybe I'm wrong. But you already know, boss.
Don't say a word, general.
Love all the time.
Don't
boss.
say a word.
All right, respect.
Big up yourself.
So there you have it. No phone where I talk about the man this and the man that. Chances are, you may have tendencies to judge not, lest he be judged. No phone, no. We don't know within themselves. So now get brought up. Judge not, lest he be judged. No phone, no. Watch the video. What that you watch? Judge not, lest he be judged. No phone enough to about a bow up girl. Judge not, lest he be judged. You see that? Yeah. Let the youth, if him want them thing there, if him like them thing there, I him think that. The fact still remains, I think about girl. There's something where I go around, I trick people, is a funeral and we keep feet. And me for tell you no. Because whether a man love brother, yes or no, nobody not supposed to try to track. Nobody. Whether in lean or in straight, a film business. But when you go around and try to bring people in your leanness, I try to trap people in your world, you feel dead. Me for tell you. And these are one of the reasons why people burn fire upon the community there. Because you don't try to keep it to yourself. Keep on thing to yourself, man. Keep on thing to yourself. See? Keep on thing to yourself. Big up on yourself. What are you?
Once you are my brother, feel alive. Once you are my sister, you're my sister, feel alive. You not keep friend, you're my brother, feel alive. You not keep friend, you're my sister, feel alive. However, anything, my sister, my brother. We have been through the storm for the weather. Stick together like birds of a feather. Nobody can say we ever sell out each other. Look out for one another, we the beggar. We ain't high some system measure. A real community, we share the treasure. Some of them get blood pressure when them see we doing better. You see the glory, but then they know my story. Then they know my story. No time me did I look at story, but true me know my family did I go worry. Me have to learn to fight for dirty and throw me. No a blessing to pour me. Instead humble and some of my grow me. Once you are my brother, you're my brother, feel alive. Once you are my sister, you're my sister, feel alive. You not keep friend, you're my brother, feel alive. You not keep friend, you're my sister, feel alive. You have some friend when I want to see you happy. Them will bust your head with a double shotty. Them not real, them a carbon copy. And dirty and black like Blue Mountain coffee. That's a me know different thing, cause some of them are zombie. Gonna prison to you, kill your friend for your family. But the family me different like a vigilante. Food in a store house and event. Once you are my brother, you're my brother, feel alive. Once you are my sister, you're my sister, feel alive. Me not keep friend, you're my brother, feel alive. Me not keep friend, you're my sister, feel alive. Now everybody think, my sister, my brother. We've been through the storm for the weather. Stick together like birds of a feather. Nobody can say we ever sell out each other. Look out for one another, we the beggar. We ain't high some system measure. A real community, we share the treasure. Some of them get blood pressure when them see we doing better. Them man will see the glory, but them don't know my story. Gonna make it without coming in. wicked, them no like see me greatness.
Big up on yourself. One love. Give thanks to the reason. See? And look at you if you watch. I mean, nobody stress your head, man. And big up your mother and big up your grandmother. Stay alive, man. Enjoy life, you. Don't hide from nobody neither. Because enough people boy out about them want brought and not hide from nobody. Big up yourself, you.